What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPad to a PC easily and wirelessly. To start, we'll be using Reflector 4, a popular screen mirroring software. This tool lets you wirelessly mirror your iPad screen to your PC without needing any cables. First, open up your browser and head to asquirrels.com/reflector or click on the link in the video description. On the site, scroll down to explore all the features it offers. While it's a paid tool, there's a free trial version available that you can use for a limited time to test it out. When you're ready to download, look for the download button at the top right of the screen. Click on it and then choose your platform, for example, Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your downloads folder and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and just in a few clicks, the software will be installed. After installation, launch Reflector 4 on your PC. Now, grab your iPad. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open a control center. Tap the screen mirroring button and you will see a list of available devices. Look for your PC's name in the list and tap on it. Reflector 4 will now display a code on your PC screen. Enter that code on your iPad to confirm the connection. Once you do, your iPad screen will instantly start mirroring to your PC, allowing you to view everything in real time. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.